Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a new account on Roblox. So let's see how to do it. First of all, tap on create account and select your birthday, confirm your birthday and type a username that has not been used before. And your gender, tap on continue, create a strong password, tap on done, after add a email and go to your settings dot icon and go to your settings, tap on account info and verify your age. By this process you can successfully create a Roblox account. Thank you.